Analyzing data and putting it to work for your business or organization is an essential skill for executives today. Join the new age of leaders and understand how best you can use analytics in this business analytics program.
Hi, I'm Ramesh Anbanandam, Associate Professor, Department of Management Studies, IIT Roorkee. Welcome to the Business Analytics for the Strategic Decision Making Program by IIT Roorkee in collaboration with Simplilearn. IIT Roorkee ranks among the best technological institutions in the world and has played a vital role in higher tech education, engineering, and research in its 175 years of existence. Fast track your career in business analytics in just 6 months by mastering the most in-demand skills, techniques, and tools.
Master key skills like R programming, descriptive analytic, predictive analytics, prescriptive analytics, linear and logistics regression, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, classification and clustering, decision trees, random forests, data visualization, and more.
Some key features of this program are Program Completion Certificate from the prestigious Indian Institute of Technology, live online masterclasses, and state-of-art curriculum designed and delivered by IIT Roorkee professors. Real-world applications of analytics across multiple domains and sectors. Industry insights through masterclasses by specialists from IBM. Practical exposure through hands-on projects and a capstone. Industry-relevant, case-based learning specially designed for mid to senior level managers and C-suite executives.
This program will easily fit into your budget and schedule. You can access all aspects of the program from your home or office, and the cost for the same is just a fraction of the tuition fees and expenses of an equivalent on-campus program. What are you waiting for? Get in touch with one of our learning advisors who will walk you through the application process.